So before the car goes home, customer wanted all the spark plugs replaced. Now when I was brought in, I had a random cylinder misfire. I was misfiring on 1, 3, 4, I can't remember. Your P0300 code, then you got the 301, 304, 305. So checked down on each cylinder, sent the scope down, I seen everything was bone dry. Just test out the wires. They're old and crappy, and these are ordered. It's just not in yet. So, okay, that's on the way, but we're still getting spark on all of them. Spark plugs, really ugly, but again, they're also sparking. So, and we got fuel. So I was just so confused on what happened. Well, the lady bought the car with the misfiring issue. I hope she got a steal with it, and then brought it over. And then I just did a simple thing. I Googled the firing order, which is, well, I mean, here's the way it's laid out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You come over and you just match them up to where it is on the diagram. 4 out of 6 were all plugged into the wrong one. So immediately, as soon as I plugged in the correct order, it started firing in the right order, and instantly check engine light went away. Very smooth. So that was an awesome, easy fix. So anyways, I'm just going to remove one, show you what these things look like. I got the camera set up. All right, we'll start with this one just because. Pull up on the tab, pull up. These are covered in oil. As I said previously, I'll go ahead and get a, we already ordered the valve cover gaskets. We're going to get that replaced. Standard spark plug socket, nothing special. You don't need a thin wall or anything. You got an 8-inch extension. That'll probably do you some good. 6 inches, probably a little too small, but again, just wanted to make a real quick video. This is a real quick, easy job. Now that I know what the problem is, at least. Yeah, see, spark plug covered in oil. Phew. Yeah. But yeah, that's what we look like. And now I got oil all over the brand new spark plugs because everything is drenched in oil. See, like I said, I'll make a video after this about the valve cover gasket. Now, when you put these in, there's like a really weird angle. There you go. Okay, you kind of got to go in at the side. You just don't want to drop that down there, especially ruin that spark plug gap. Here's another spark plug completely drenched in oil. Yeah, this one's out of cylinder 1. You can tell how long this one's been in there. There's that one. I mean, it was still firing, or still sparking, I should say, but it's almost touching that tip right there. All right, and last but not least, take out the last one. But anyways, that's how you replace these. Really simple job. These are actually really nice and easy to get to, unlike a lot of other vehicles. Definitely want to make sure you do, you know, just one at a time. You don't want to rip off all these wires, and it's probably what happened to that other guy. I mean, he's just probably so fed up with, you know, all the other repairs we have to do, and then he seen us misfire and yeah, I said, be amazed at how many people just take off and just throw all the wires off to the side and hope for the best. Well, so anyways, do one at a time. You've seen I put a little bit of duct tape around that. It's really nice so that whenever you get this down, because there's a rubber boot inside this socket, you don't want to get them locked onto the top of that spark plug. So anyways, that's what it is. Here it is. Here's the spark plugs that I used. And this is where I'm going to wrap this one at. Thanks for watching.